Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Alex, your favorite real estate agent here in sunny San Diego. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you this property right here and talk about all the numbers and also talk about this property right here. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. So as you can see, it's a pretty quiet street when cars are not driving, but you are literally one block away from the beach. Now, I'm gonna show you this house today, but before I do, I wanted to talk about numbers a little bit. So this house I'm gonna show you today is 5-bedroom, 5-bath. I think just under 4,000 square feet, listed at 4 million. But this property right here is almost done. It's a custom home, single family, and the lot size is between 6 and 7,000 square feet from what I remember. This was bought in 2020 for around 1.3 million. So just kind of showing you what's possible to build. 4 million, bought 1.3, and it was a 3-bed, 2-bath, just like that, walking distance. And now if they want to sell this, I mean, they can probably sell for at least 6 million. But with that being said, let's jump into this property. There are some interesting things I want to show you. So you have the beautiful front door. Again, we're just walking distance to the beach, so Airbnb would be very possible. We have the first bedroom on the floor. On the first floor. So this is a pretty spacious bedroom in PB. If you know PB, everything is very tight because there's a lot of construction here and it's very dense because you're right next to the beach. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you the living area afterwards, but let's go to the second floor first. First bedroom upstairs with a private balcony, sharing it with a different bedroom. I'm gonna go to the next bedroom. Now the thing that I wanted to talk about number wise, I'm gonna show you in the backyard of this property and the other unit that is connected to this property, which is technically detached. So you had 2 bedrooms on the second floor. Let's keep on going, show you the first floor.
I was just saying that, like, if I look at the numbers of, like, okay, what's it gonna cost this, I do the more of the numbers of, like, he's got the great ideas, I just put it all together.
Can we do it? That's the question.
Yeah.
I
I
just
put the stuff, the other stuff together.
Well, I'm kind of down the middle. I'm a very ambitious person.
Don't want to interrupt, but this right here is the master of the main house. Let's see if did we miss anything. Yeah, just some storage. So you have master shower, dual sinks, so both of them. You walk in, shower. Oh my god, almost fell. Jesus Christ. You guys caught that? Okay. And then you got the closet. Pretty large. Bathroom. But the money maker is in the back, which I'm gonna show you. So this building right here is detached from the main property. So when it comes to Airbnb, I would say you can block it off here of the main house, and then this is another unit, but you can convert it to 2 units. So what I mean is, you have a garage here, right? You have a 1-car garage. You could even convert this too. But what I'm talking about is taking this garage, which is a 3-car garage, and convert it into another ADU. So you can rent it out, make it an Airbnb. And also, if you go upstairs, you have another 1-bed, 1-bath, which from what I understand, they rent it out long term, not short term. But in Pacific Beach here, it's not very difficult to get permits when it comes to Airbnb, and I think they have about 1,000 or 2,000 permits left, and they will never give any more. So this is the second floor. You got a washer and a dryer.
Don't mind me.
It's okay, no worries. You got the first. So this is technically a 1 bed, 1 bath.
Yep. It's
Right?
A studio, but, yep.
Studio.
One on one, yeah.
Okay, got it. And then the bathroom with the shower. And a full-on kitchen. So here's another part that I want to talk to you guys and tell you. As you can see, this lot is almost also about 6,000 to 7,000 square feet. So you can fix that property and you can build another property. So that's how you make money in real estate, especially if you're an investor and you want to do Airbnbs. Because the whole point of buying real estate is to make money, right? Unless you're buying it to live, but I'm just showing you what the options are. If you don't want to live in it, you want to invest, you always have options. So that was it. That was the property here in Pacific Beach, $4 million. We do have off-market homes all over San Diego, about 82 right now, currently at the moment, and we always have more. So feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to share them with you or help you negotiate to buy a home, or even help you get the most money to sell your home here in sunny San Diego. With that being said, my name is Alex. You can find all the information of the property in the description of this video and my information. Feel free to call me, text me, email me. And with that being said, until next video, до свидания.